Hi guys, Paul.
I'm Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple here in the World's End State Park, and here is Canyon Vista. I mean, for an opener of a video, it's pretty amazing. So we're here. We went around different places, Hillsgrove, Forksville, those kind of areas around here. Now we're up here at Canyon Vista, but we're going to shoot that way, other side of the camera, up the hill, and check out the rock garden, a big boulder top of a mountain.
Climbing.
Little cold, breezy day, winter. No, spring still, right? Spring now?
It's spring.
It's spring. It doesn't feel
Feeling like
it.
winter.
Yeah, but the sun is shining, and we are out here to share this with you. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're here at the rock garden, up on top of the mountains.
I'm sorry, what?
Up on top of the mountain.
On top of the mountain.
I'm gonna chop the mountains. Take a slow walk up. I think you can already see the big rock formations up here. I think the ice is gone.
Yep.
In that one front crevasse, usually sometimes there's a big blue thick ice that forms inside. We did have some unseasonably warm temperatures, so I think that's what killed it. Go check it out.
There's some ice over here.
You got some ice?
And the leaves up there.
All right. No ice in there, but there is some, as Ryan said, pouring out of that. Hi, Ryan. The lichens all over the rock.
Big lichen.
Yeah. Look at this part. This has always been my favorite little section. There's some ice right here. Look at the corridor.
Ooh, yeah, it's to the left.
Icy.
Yeah, the left.
The joy of the boom cam. Going down here. Little badger hole down here.
You can hear it dripping.
Oh yeah, it's dripping from out here.
In the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to be able to go up this way. Let's see if I can still manage. It wasn't hard. down there. There's Ryan.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Use your knee.
Oh boy. I'm gonna get on my knees. Here it is.
You did it. You did it.
I did it.
Up, up, up. And now we're on the top. Now this is the cool part. Look how far. I don't know if you can see how far down we were. Whoa! And if you hop from here over there. Look at that. We came from down that way up. And the rocks go back and back and back. We'll take you over there. You can't jump this, it's just too wide. You gotta go over where it narrows down. Yeah, look at the lichen. That's real big leafy almost.
Yeah, it is like a big leaf. This is huge.
Old.
It's like a leaf.
It takes,
They're
I guess,
crunchy.
300-400 years for that stuff to grow, right?
And it's a big sad scene of it at the time.
You can also just go down that way too.
Oh. Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. I'll meet you. I'll take the high road. You take the low road. Yeah, some families out here enjoying it too. Beautiful day for it. I can see Marge way down there. A little bit of white. Just a speck. And this is a rock outcrop. You can just follow it. We were just talking. There was a place over in outside of Ohio Pile, a rock outcrop that you can follow down a mountain. Apparently there's a salamander sanctuary and stuff like that in that area. At the Falls City pubs.
Yeah.
Oh, trees fell. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. They cut a nice little path for us. That's nice. Timber. This would be a nice place for a picnic.
Yeah, a little coffee spot.
Mm-hmm. I think I still have coffee in the truck.
From yesterday.
Yeah.
Can't fail.
Can't fail. Epic can't fail. We're gonna make a very short video on that later. Actually, we might even do the talking about it here if it gets quiet enough. Look at these rocks. Big. Look at that. I don't even know how far down that is.
Let's not find out.
Let's not find out. Yeah. You can climb down and jump on that rock. I have some pictures of my buddy Jan out there on the edge of that rock. He climbed down there and jumped over. But see the rock face, it goes all around the outside. Just, I mean, essentially just bedrock, right? Just big sections of granite bedrock or whatever. Beautiful.
Big.
Very big indeed. And these pools of water. Nice. I think we're going to try to work our way over to that point. But this is just a section of it, so definitely a treat when you come up here to World's End State Park. Right here. Yep. Yep. You can find your way to meander amongst the rocks. Butt grab.
Grab the big squeak. I was not from the butt grab.
All right. This is a very nice area. And there's the point we said we're going to try to work to. See what we see over that little nook. I mean, it's so still. It's warm. It's still. The sun's out. What a great day in Pennsylvania.
It's nice and quiet right now.
Very quiet. Ooh, slipped. A little slip. A little slip hurt my lower back. That's okay. I'm still walking. Here's the vista over the rocks. The rock face keeps going down. Ooh, like, wow, what's that? It's like it's like a waterfall or something, a frozen. Oh, let's go look at that.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, a surprise. Awesome. Oh, thank you. Rocky rock. Cool. Wow. Let's find Ryan. Oh, she's over there still. Be back.
Look at all that ice.
Nice, clean ice. All over this rock. Pretty. Yeah. Especially the ones up there. These are still dripping. Wow. And the lichens. There on the backside of the rock garden.
See it melting behind and running down.
Oh yeah, you can see it behind. The spring has come.
Oh, so squishy. Oh.
Okay, guys, what a little tiny adventure, though. There's so much more to see here, so much more exploring to do. Just wanted to give you a little snippet of it over here at the Rock Garden in the World's End State Park in, I believe, in Sullivan County. It is Sullivan County, yes. So that's cool. It's in the border of Lycoming County, but definitely check it out. What do you think, Ryan?
This has been a nice day. Lots of sunshine.
Mm-hmm.
And this ice is going to be the last of the ice for the
I know. We're actually just
spring.
looking at like the last ice of the year. It's a precious little thing, and I'm so happy that we found this, especially with all this old lichen and moss on these rocks. It's just, this stuff has been here for memoriam. You know what I mean? Like it's amazing.
It's been a good long time.
Exactly. Well, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. Cheers.
Get outdoors.
Find this. Wow. Boom.